Glock 17 here with the Smith & Wesson M&P R8 357 Magnum. Do a quick safety check. Nothing in any of the 8 cylinders. Chamber, everything clear. It's a very nice gun, all blacked out. Got to do something about these grips. I'm not too fond of these rubberized grip. If anybody's got any suggestions, something other than that. It's a pretty nice little pistol. Just don't take it out much. It's fairly accurate. Nice lightweight. I believe it's an alloy frame, 5-inch barrel. Takes the moon clips, which is pretty quick reloading. Very nice trigger. Nice hammer there. Just not much calling for it in the kind of shooting I do out on the matches with 30-round stages, or I guess I could use it on a fun shoot or something. But I'm just way too slow reloading with it. But take the Smith & Wesson out to the range, see how she does. Hold on, we'll see you at the range. Okay, we're back from the range with the Smith & Wesson R8 empty. So we shot 10 yards, 38 special, and I looks like I'm favoring the right, like I usually do. That was just the R8 with the 38 special rounds through it. And here we're shooting the R8 357 Magnum at 13 yards. This 7-inch circle. Did okay. And the next one was 38 special, 13 yards, double action. And these are some of these guys outside. Those are double action. And then we shot 7 yards, 38 special. That was 8 of the tighter ones in here. But all in all, the Smith & Wesson did pretty good. I didn't enjoy shooting that 357 Magnum. I only shot 8 of those. But 38 special worked very good in this. So there you have it. Just a quick review on my Smith & Wesson and a couple range results. And that should do it. This is Glock 17 out.